Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Middle Eastern hummus. To begin, gather your ingredients for this simple recipe. You'll need 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed, along with 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of tahini paste, which is crucial for that authentic flavor. Also, have a small garlic clove and some olive oil on hand. This recipe is straightforward and yields fantastic results. Now let's get blending. In a food processor, combine your drained chickpeas, tahini, and lemon juice. Add 1 small garlic clove minced for a burst of flavor. Process these ingredients until they start to form a thick paste. To achieve that signature creamy texture, slowly add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cold water while the processor is running. Continue blending until your hummus is perfectly smooth. Seasoning is key to a great hummus. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin to your blended mixture. These spices enhance the overall taste beautifully. Give it a good stir, then taste and adjust the seasonings as needed to suit your preference. For those who enjoy a little heat, a small pinch of cayenne pepper can add a wonderful, subtle kick. Your homemade hummus is almost ready to enjoy. Transfer the creamy hummus to a shallow serving bowl. Create a small well in the center and drizzle generously with about 1 tablespoon of good quality olive oil. For a beautiful finish, sprinkle a dash of paprika over the top. Serve your delicious hummus with warm pita bread, crunchy fresh vegetables, or even as a spread in sandwiches. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.